Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga kaji! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung sama kayong lapalap ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the Green Girl, Cutie Patuti Iguana. Nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, at good night po sa mga ready na matulog. At welcome po sa ating Masters Trivia. So we're still about ice. Mata pa rin yung topic natin, but we have a different category. So syempre, before we start, I would like to greet Bahay Kulitan na 1 year anniversary. Yan po, mamaya po at 11 o'clock in the morning, Philippine time, Sunday. Yan, Sunday ngayon, di ba? We will be celebrating Bahay Kulitan's 1 year anniversary po. Syempre, sa channel ni Master Worm. You're all invited to join us and listen to some stories, testimonies, or talents from our Bahay Kulitan members and friends. And then, of course, always free naman po para umakyat sa mga gustong kumanta at makigulo sa atin. Okay, so we have an open mic. We don't have games so far as of now. I haven't thought of any games because I don't wanna, medyo allergy po ako ngayon sa mga pag-games na merong sponsor. Okay? At alam niyo naman, may history tayo tungkol sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Anyways, for now, let's talk about sore eyes. Alright, mga masters and mga G, are you ready? So sore eyes, its causes, treatments, and more. So I guess this will be a little bit longer episode, but I'll try my best to explain it as easy and as understandable as possible. All right. So again, I would like to ask for your thumbs up. If kung pwede po ay kayo po ay naka all bell notifications sa channel natin so you can have direct access, ma-notify po kayo pag ako po ay merong bagong contents. Having sore eyes may result from conditions or factors such as dust, alikabok, in the eyes. Ayan, may alikabok or dust sa ating mata. Okay, sinusitis. So, inflammation of the sinuses po, yung iba, di ba, parang nahihirapan sila huminga. The sinusitis is parang barado po yung sinuses nila po. Okay? And then, meron din po tayong conditions like conjunctivitis and blepharitis. Hindi na natin na-explain yan because it's gonna be a different story topic. Okay? And sty or yung ano sa mata. Diba? Anong sty? Yan. Or glaucoma. Okay? So, ang pressure sa mata natin ay mayroong ano po siya. Mayroon po tinatawag nating high pressure. So, ang glaucoma can cause, as we age po, and ang iba ay nagkakaroon ng glaucoma. While it is possible for a person to treat some types of eye soreness at home, some underlying conditions require a doctor's care. So, as a naturopathic health practitioner, it's true. We have some conditions that it needs to have a doctor, which is like it requires further procedures. But of course, we can still do natural or naturopathic approach. Okay, so keep reading, keep listening. You can also check the link below, the description below, because I will write it down there. I will copy and paste this at the bottom on our description of this video, of this premiere. Okay, so of course, keep reading for more information on the causes, symptoms, and treatments of sore eyes. So let's say talk about the causes and treatments. So possible causes of sore eyes include, okay, syempre, meron is a foreign object. There's a foreign object. Saan po ang foreign object na yan? Foreign object can become stuck in the eye, such as dust, pollen, or an eyelash. Ayan po, very common po ito sa mga palaging nasa labas or sa mga disyerto o sa mga lugar kung saan po ay malakas po ang hangin. Dahil may pagkakataon po na kung hindi ka po gumagamit ng eyeglasses or any eye protectant or eye protector, ay papasok talaga po ang alikabok sa ating mata. And of course, pollen po is, it's, lalo na po pag fall or spring, mga ganang mga panahon, 'di ba? Sa springtime or fall time, okay? At meron po tayong problema sa pollination. So may mga bubuyog at saka bees. The bees are there around us trying to pollinate. They work hard in those particular months. So sometimes they drop the pollens, or the pollens are being carried by the wind and it goes to your eyes. So there's a big possibility that you can get it can get stuck in your eyes, these pollens, or any eyelash. Siyempre sa mga babae dyan, those who are wearing fake eyelashes or extensions, or eyelash extensions. So there's a big possibility po na kayo po ay magkakaroon or mag-stuck up sa inyong mga mata, and that can also cause sore eyes or infection on the eyes. Painom natin muna si Gin ng tubig. Okay? So to remove the object, paano po i-remove ang object, mga masters? Hold the eyelid open. Buksan niyo po yung mga eyelids nyo. Try niyo po i-open yung inyong mata, and yung eyelid sa taas at saka baba ng ating mata ay buksan natin. Parang ganin mo yung mata mo, di ba? And then, of course, what's the next step? And gently pour warm water or artificial tears. Ayan, because there's also they are also selling these artificial tears. Kumbaga yung pH level, si Gin natin na inaantok. Ang artificial tears po ay parang meron po siyang pH level at saka yung consistency niya ay parang luha talaga. Siguro meron po yung a little bit of saline or asin, which is like our natural tears. Or you can also pour warm. Basta importante po ay clean water. So meron po yung iba dyan ay gumagamit ng purified water, mineral water, or distilled water. Okay? So mas maganda po yan. So warm water po ha, ipo-pour nyo, ililinis nyo, parang slowly na po na sa mata natin, i-cleansing natin yung mata natin through the use of water, warm water. Okay? So of course, pwede din po natin gamitin or use one cotton swab to roll the eyelid back. So pwede kang yung cotton swab or yung Q-tips. Yan po, instead na kamay mo po yung ihawak mo sa eyelids mo, parang i-lock mo siya, parang ipitin mo siya na hindi naman siya pumapasok syempre sa loob ng mata, pero yung sa skin ng ating eyelids po, parang i-lock mo lang po siya para hindi po siya para hindi po masarado yung mata natin. So the purpose of that is to keep the eyes open so you can irrigate. Yung tawag po dyan is irrigation, or yung pagpadaloy ng tubig sa iyong mga mata. Okay? So sabi dito is use another and then diba? Ilagyan mo na ng cotton ng cotton swab, and then use another dampened swab. Medyo basa-basa po siya na swab or Q-tip or cloth, pwede din ng cloth, to remove the object. So with the use of that dampened or sinatawag natin parang moist, meron siyang, syempre yung gagamitin niyo na tubig dyan is yung malinis. It's either the sterile water or warm water or distilled drinking water, or you can do the artificial tears. Lagay mo sa cotton buds or sa swab, at pag nakita niyo na po kung saan po yung object niya na nasa loob ng mata mo, yan po ay slowly po ay you remove it using the swab or that moistened or that cotton swab or Q-tip or ang ating dampened or basahan or handkerchief or ano man yan ang gagamitin mo. Just make sure that it's clean, because if it's not clean, it can cause more problems. Okay? So yun po. Ang next po is sinusitis. Ano naman ang sinusitis na cause? It's an infection that causes swelling in the tissue that lines the sinuses. Sa ilong natin yan ang sinuses. Natin, mga master, sa gilid ng ating ilong, dyan po yung sinus, di ba? Sinuses natin. So hindi tayo, lahat tayo ay may sinuses po, mga master, sa Ang sinuses po ay tinatawag po yan sa part ng katawan natin kung saan po dyan stay po ang ating mga phlegm and mucus. Parang ganyan yan. So, hindi pwedeng sabihin mo, meron akong sinus ngayon. Meron talaga tayong sinus. All of us, we have sinuses. But sinusitis is different. Sinusitis is the word wherein your sinuses are inflamed. So the proper way to say it is I have sinusitis and not I have sinuses. Yeah, all of us have sinuses. So it's right. But when you want to express or tell them that you have problems with your sinuses, that your sinuses are inflamed, and that's what we call sinusitis. Okay, so the lines of the pressure on the sinuses can cause eye pain. Okay, common symptoms of sinusitis include runny or stuffy nose, parang ano po, maraming parang tumutulo lang po yung sipon sa loob, runny nose. Of course, you can also have headaches, sakit sa ulo or sore throat, bad breath, pain or pressure in the face, a cough, ubo, post-nasal drip. Ayun po, post-nasal drip sa parang tumutulo lang po yung ilong mo palagi. Sometimes sinusitis is the result of a viral infection and will go away on its own. So, mawawala din po yung sinusitis, mga masters, if it's viral infection. Okay? So, the Centers of the Disease Control, trusted sources, suggest waiting a few days before seeing a doctor for antibiotics. Yan po, mga masters. So, there's a cost na. Dalawa na yung cost. Diba? Meron na pumasok sa mata nyo and then sinusitis. Bukas po, we'll talk about some more causes of of course, sore eyes. Alright, mga masters and mga G, hanggang dito lang muna tayo at tayo kita-kits tayo sa ating premier marathon na Bahay Kulitan and of course, a 1-year anniversary po sa ating sa Bahay Kulitan. Congratulations sa lahat po na bumubuo ng ating team at sa lahat po ng mga nagsusupport. Maraming salamat and I hope hindi po kayo nagsasawa sa amin. Again, this is G. Natulog na yata si Gio. And of course, your one and only Master Worm. God is great. Yahoo!